Hello, my crafty friends. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you how I make these cute, colorful scrubbies. They work up fast. They can be made with or without the handle. They are lightweight, durable, washable, and reusable. I'm Deborah, and I'm the hands behind Taylor's Yarn Creations. And what I'm going to be doing in this tutorial is I'm going to be sharing with you step by step pretty much how you can make these. Enough said, let's get started. What you will need for this is you're going to need a pair of scissors, a tapestry needle, a size J 6mm crochet hook, and of course your yarn. I'm using Hobby Lobby's Yarn Bee Scrubology, and I will be doing this tutorial in bright pink. I will also be doing it without the handle. As you can see, this yarn is made with some type of nylon material over it, but inside, if you look closely, there's like this cotton, matching cotton. It's really neat. For this tutorial, I will start with a double magic circle, but the pattern that I wrote up starts with a magic circle. I just like to do the double magic circle, and I'm not going to do a tutorial on this. If you want to know how I do this double magic circle, just go ahead and make a comment below and I will show you. So once I get my circle made, I will go ahead and start with 2 chains inside the circle. Then I will do 12 double crochet stitches. This first chain does not count as a stitch. So you're going to double crochet 12 inside of the magic circle. To do a double crochet, you're going to yarn over, insert your hook into the circle, yarn over, grab it, pull it through. You will have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2 more. Let me repeat that. You're going to yarn over, insert your hook into the circle, yarn over, pull through. You will have 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Now you're going to complete 10 more double crochet stitches inside this circle, and I'll meet you back at the end. Once you tighten your magic circle, it should look like this. Now you're going to have that tail at the end, but that's okay because this is going to go on the inside. To close it, you're going to find your first stitch and you're going to go ahead and seal it close with a slip stitch like that. Chain 2, 1, 2. Now for the second row, you are going to do an increase stitch in each stitch around, remembering that this does not count as a stitch. So we're going to go ahead and double crochet 2 inside the first stitch. Yarn over, insert hook, yarn over, bring through, complete your double crochet stitch. Do it a second time. And you're going to do that pattern in each chain stitch around. You should have at the completion 24 stitches, not including this first chain stitch. Go ahead and slip stitch to close and go ahead and fasten it off. Weave in this tail and go ahead and do the same thing for a second round, but do not fasten it off. And I will meet you once you complete the second round. Again, do not fasten it off. Once you completed side 1 and side 2, you're going to make the two tails touch each other. So this is the wrong side and this is the right side. So you want the right side facing outward. And you're just going to join the two together, making sure that any tails are tucked in neatly on the inside. Now for this, once they're touching each other, you're going to position your hook and you're going to go ahead and just insert it under the first 2 loops and then the second 2 loops. It doesn't matter where you start because you should have the same number of stitches all the way around. If it helps, go ahead and join it where you started, but it doesn't really matter. I'll do that. Insert the hook under first 2 loops, then the second 2 loops. Yarn over, pull through all 4 loops. You should have 2 loops on the hook. Go ahead and pull that through as a slip stitch and chain 1. You're going to do a slip stitch, chain 1 all the way around. So insert under 2 loops, the next 2 loops, yarn over, pull through, slip stitch, chain 1. Go ahead and do that all the way around. Once you get a rhythm of doing this, it should work pretty fast for you. Just make sure that the 2 loops are together and that you don't go through the same loop twice. That can happen. Now, once you're at the back, insert your hook and complete with a slip stitch. I like to chain 1 just to seal it off. Pull it really nice and tight. Leave just a little tail so you can weave it in. And there you have it. A quick, easy, fast gift item that anyone would love for their kitchen or bathroom. Here's the one with the handle, and here's one without. So if you enjoy tutorials like this, be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so you know the next time I upload a video.